Affiliate marketing in Nigeria in 2025 is changing everything. You can now earn in dollars without having a website, without having any skills. You can now make money as an affiliate marketer in Nigeria. You can now earn in dollars without website, without skills. In fact, you don't need any money to start making money as an affiliate marketer in Nigeria. Yes, you can now start making dollars in Nigeria as an affiliate marketer. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure and the method which you need to start making dollars for yourself as an affiliate marketer in Nigeria right now in this 2025. But before we begin, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is served as you are referring people to a product, to buy a product, and when those people buy those products, you are going to gain commission as an affiliate marketer. That is what we mean by affiliate marketing. You refer people to buy a product, and when those people buy those products, you earn commission for referring those people to buy this product. That is what we mean by affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you the process and the method which you need using in this 2025 to earn dollars in Nigeria as an affiliate marketer. So if that sounds so interesting to you, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can start making money with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's get started. Let me show you the method which you need to start using in this 2025 as an affiliate marketer, and you start earning massive money for yourself every day. Now let's get started. Do you know that in Nigeria today there are millions of people who are making money as an affiliate marketers? Yes, there are millions of people who are making money in social media right now as an affiliate marketer. So in this video, I'm going to review it to you so that you can start also doing it right now, and you'll be making money for yourself. People right now use their Facebook account, their TikTok account, their WhatsApp account, in fact all their social media account to promote people's product. And when they promote this product, they earn commission. When people see this product and buy the product, they earn commission for posting this product on their Facebook page, their TikTok account, their WhatsApp group. They make money from it. When they post this product and people see this product and buy the product, they earn a lot of money from it. Affiliate marketing works because you are helping people discover new products. You are helping people to discover product that they don't know about. So by you posting this thing, those people see this product, they will like the product, they buy the product, you earn your own commission. Now let me put you through how you can get started and be promoting people's product and be earning commission. And you don't need laptop for this. With your smartphone, you can do this. You don't need laptop. So let me put you through how you can get started. Let me give you what you need to get started as an affiliate marketer right now in Nigeria in this 2025, and you'll be earning dollars every month, every day. Now, the first thing you don't need laptop. You don't need laptop. With your smartphone, you are okay. Now, the second thing you need is your social media account. With your social media account, you can promote products and you'll be making money for yourself. Now, the third one is an affiliate account. Yes, you need an affiliate account which you can register on, and you'll be getting product from there, and you'll be posting it on your social media account using your smartphone, and you are selling products and you are making money. Now let's keep going. Let me give you some affiliate network website which you need to get started with, and you can register there and you get your affiliate links which you can be promoting with your phone using your social media account, and you'll be making the money. Now, so here are some affiliate network that accept Nigeria that you can register on and start getting affiliate links from there and start promoting products and be making money. Number one on our list is what we call Partner Stock. Number two is what we call Impact. Number three is what we call Digital 24. You can try them, and there are a lot of them. You comment in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to send you the link to any of the affiliate network which you can register in Nigeria, and you can start making money as an affiliate. So just let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to send you the link. And if you also want me to make a video about how you can register on the affiliate network, let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to do video about that. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to create or make video about how you can start to register on those affiliate network and you get started as an affiliate marketer. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on my next video.